Today we will learn reverse engineering. By using reverse engineering technique, we will draw the circuit diagram of this line filter. I collect this line filter from online UPS. In online UPS there are two line filter. One is input line filter, another one is output line filter. So this is terminal. Your AC line will come here, neutral will come here, line, neutral. This one is line, neutral, P1, P2. Then if I in back side, bottom side, I observe there is copper up to here, and there is two varistor. Actually varistor used to remove the spike in input voltage. 400 volt spike may be entered in your single phase line system. Normally single phase line voltage is 230 volt, but 400 or above 400 or above spike comes in your system. At that time this varistor becomes short and bypass that spike. Here two varistor. The symbol for varistor is like this. First varistor, then second varistor. Okay, in our PCB this varistor is mentioned as move, MOV, move on, move to. So in my diagram this one is move, MOV on, and this one is MOV to. These are varistor. Then there is one capacitor. Capacitor, .7 microfarad, K type, 275 volt AC. So I have to draw on capacitor. This one is capacitor, big capacitor. Value is 4.7 microfarad, K type, and voltage rating is 275 volt AC. This capacitor. Then this is coil. Okay, this one is coil, so I have to draw on coil here. Then this coil, in between coil, then this coil, there is separator between them. So this coil, this is coil. Okay, then there is two capacitor. Then again this one another terminal. This is for line, name is P3. This is for neutral. This is for line and this is for neutral. P4 and it is N, and in bottom we observe these two capacitor connected. One terminal is here but another terminal is here, and this one is chassis or UPS body screw. By using one screw, this capacitor, these two capacitor connected with body. So this terminal is our body. This one is output. Now I will collect the value of this capacitor. I will try to read its identification number. (472M). Okay, this identification number is C4 and C3. C4, C3, and the value is value is 472. Actually, in this capacitor, values are like this. It is written full information is like this. SHM SC 472M X1 volt and Y2 250 volt AC. X1 and X2, these values are written in this fashion. For this capacitor, big capacitor, values are written in this way: 4.7 microfarad, 275 volt AC, then MKP X2 250 volt AC. This is written in this big capacitor. We have successfully done the reverse engineering of input line filter. Reverse engineering is very useful when you repair new device or when you want to design your own system. You can uh, collect information which is uh, pro- professional circuit use. You can improve your design by collecting information from professional industrial devices. You can collect information from professional industrial tested devices. Reverse engineering is very useful for new system design. এটি একটি ইনপুট লাইন ফিল্টার। আমরা রিভার্স ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এর মাধ্যমে এই ইনপুট লাইন ফিল্টারটির সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রাম ড্র করব। প্রথমে দেখতে পাচ্ছি P1 P2 দুটো টার্মিনাল। মূলত P1 হলো L। আমরা P1 L, আমরা প্রথমে একটি টার্মিনাল, এই টার্মিনালটার নাম হলো L, এটা হলো আমার L। আর একটি হবে, সেটা হলো N। তো এটার নাম হবে P1 এবং এটার নাম হবে P2। এরপর আমরা ব্যাক সাইড দেখব। ব্যাক সাইডে যে জিনিসটা হচ্ছে সেটা হলো এইভাবে আছে ওয়্যার। এরপরে দেখতেছি দুইটা ভ্যারিস্টর। এই দুটো হলো ভ্যারিস্টর।